Hey Canva creators, welcome back to the channel. Want to make a clean, professional mug video mockup without using After Effects? You're in the right spot. I'll show you how to do it all in Canva. All right, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your mug design ready. For this tutorial, I whipped up a fun little design that says, "Happy Birthday, Denzel Washington," because why not celebrate a legend while designing? Now head over to the Apps tab on the left, and in the search bar, type Mockups. Once you're in, scroll down to the video section. That's where you'll find some awesome animated mockups, and we're going to choose the one with the mug we like most. Drag it onto your canvas and adjust the size to fit your layout. Next, click on the mug mockup, then go to Uploads and simply drag and drop your design right onto it. Canva will process the magic for you. Just give it a second or two. And there it is. Play the video and it looks clean, professional, and ready to impress. Want to level it up? You can even change the color of the mug to something that matches your design. I'm switching it from white to a nice deep blue to fit the birthday theme. Once you're happy with it, hit Apply Changes. And boom! You've just created a stunning video mockup for your mug, all inside Canva. No After Effects needed. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below telling me what Canva trick you want to learn next. Catch you in the next one. And as always, happy designing.